So, the Uzin U2100 Tackifier. Now, this Tackifier is perfect for absolutely any type of carpet tiles you can think of, so it's to be used on any type of carpet product only. This particular Tackifier is to be used on smooth subfloorings, so if you've got a smooth subflooring where you are, then this one will be perfect for you. It comes in a 10kg tub and it has a drying time of 30 to 60 minutes. So again, it's super fast, just like Klopp's team. This Tackifier is pressure sensitive, so like some of the other adhesives, this will require pressure for the carpet tiles to stick to the Tackifier. Remember, this is a Tackifier, not a permanent glue, so it will just make the floor tacky, so you can just pull up your carpet tiles and rearrange if need be, or if you make any sort of mistakes. Remember, we have next day delivery on all of our Uzin products, so anything you want will be available to be in your home or your business tomorrow. And if you're familiar with the makes BOSTIK and F.BALL, this is equivalent to the BOSTIK LAYBOND carpet tile Tackifier and the F.BALL STYCCOBOND F41 Tackifier as well.